Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a quick tutorial on how to solve those annoying extra space between words in a MS Word documents by adjusting the hyphenation settings. So let's dive right in. First up, open your document in MS Word. See how some lines have awkward gaps between words. That's what we're fixing today. Go to the Layout tab or the Home tab. This is where all the magic happens for page setup and layout adjustments. Now, find the hyphenation. It's typically in the middle of the ribbon. Click on it and the drop-down menu appears. You have a few options here, but today we're focusing on automatic. Select this. Tells words to automatically add hyphens to your document, which helps reduce those gaps. Once you click it, watch how the text adjusts. See, the spacing looks much better already. If automatic hyphenation makes the document too choppy for you, try manual. With this option, Word will suggest places to add hyphens and you can choose whether to apply them or not. Word will highlight the potential hyphen spots. Just click to add a hyphen or ignore it if you think it's not necessary. And there you have it. That's how you use hyphenation in MS Word to improve the spacing between words. Simple, right? Thanks for watching this quick tip. If it helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and that ring the bell for more helpful tutorials like this one.